So you're looking to cash your checks online without using Ingo? You've landed on the right video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the best ways and applications that you can use to cash your checks online without using Ingo. So without any further ado guys, let's end this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So whenever you think of cashing checks online without having to use Ingo, the first and best place that you always want to consider is your mobile banking app. Okay, most banks nowadays offer financial services including the mobile check deposit, which lets you deposit checks into your online account or your account that you have with them. And if you go through the applications that they have, you see that the process is even seamless and very easy to follow. Okay, you just need to navigate through your banking app and look for a section that probably shows as mobile check deposit. Then you follow the steps to deposit checks into your account, and you give them the time that they need to clear the check and make it available for you. Okay, so usually your bank is going to make the funds available instantly at the cost. Okay, let me bring you to a bank that makes this even way easier for you to cash checks, and they are proven to not use Ingo. So Regions Bank is one of the banks that are known to not rely on Ingo to offer check cashing services, unlike most other financial institutions. So if you have an account with Regions Bank, you can easily mobile deposit your check through their mobile application. Also, Regions Bank lets you decide how you want to access your funds upon the deposit. Okay, you have from the instant deposit option to the next business days deposit, and if you are choosing the instant deposit, you'll be charged a fee of 1 to 4% of the check amount. But if you are letting them to process your check later that night, which is going to make the funds available the next business day, you'll be charged nothing. Okay, that will be free of cost. So if you have an account with Regions Banks, it will be good to consider depositing your checks through their mobile application. For those of you who can't cash your checks through your mobile banking application, an alternative that is worth a try is GTE Financial. So GTE Financial is a third-party cashing service that operates through a mobile application to let you cash your checks online anywhere you are. They cash a wide variety of checks ranging from government checks to even handwritten checks, and of course they will do this at a cost. So what you want to do is to download their mobile application. I'll provide the link in the video description, and try out their service to see if this one is convenient for you. The steps to cash your checks with them isn't even complicated. You just need to download the application, you click on the pay transfer, and then go to the deposit check option. Okay, you can even find the shortcut in their home screen. Once you find that shortcut to mobile deposit your checks, you just follow the prompts that will be shown to you to mobile deposit your checks. But be wary of the fee. Be very careful with the fee, because these fees can go way higher even than what your banking app is going to charge for cashing your checks online. So those were the best ways to cash your checks online without using Ingo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. I'll catch you in the next episode.